Hello there. Are you stuck with an authentication error like this? Don't panic, it's super easy to fix. This usually happens when you are signing in with multiple Google accounts in your browser. For example, if you're using Google Sheet and your primary logged in account isn't the one where the sheet is created, Google can get confused and block the access. Here's what you can do to solve in seconds. Log out of all your Google account in your browser, then log in only with the account that created or has the access to the sheet. Open the sidebar again, it should work. So I'm showing you this. This is the account, and you can click sign out of all Google accounts. Simply sign in where the spreadsheet is created. Now reload the spreadsheet and then click again the create order. You can see that the problem is fixed and the authorization is success. Don't forget to activate the Pro version, otherwise you will get the unlock screen here. So I'm going to activate the Pro version in my website, and as you can see, the Pro plugin status check and the form will should appear here. Let's wait a bit, and as you can see, the form is appear. So this is how you can solve the problem. You can also fix this by sharing editor access of the sheet with a Gmail account you are primarily logged in. Go to share, search the Gmail account and make it as editor access and hit send. That way it works without switching the account. So why does this happen? It's actually not a bug in FlexOrder. It's how Google handle multiple accounts. Their own doc says AppScript, add-ons, and web apps don't fully support multi-login. For a smoother experience, you can also use incognito mode. Just log in with the right Google account there. And that's it. Simple and quick. Now go ahead and try again. It should work perfectly. Thank you very much.